Oppo Reno 13 series launching on January 9th at 5 p.m. in India. Both smartphones come in 3 colors. The Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution flat AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate. It reaches up to 1200 nits peak brightness. The Reno 13 Pro come a triple camera system with a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. It also features a 50MP front camera. Reno 13 equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset and Mali G615 NC6 GPU, and running Android 15 with ColorOS 15, delivering smooth gaming and multitasking performance. They also include a custom X1 network acceleration chip for enhanced connectivity, X-axis linear motors, and a gaming-focused cloud computing private network for ultra-low latency and high-speed gameplay. The Reno 13 come in 5800 mAh battery. With support 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, Oppo Reno 13 series offers IP69 rated dust and water resistance and supports underwater photography. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.